Alright, my friends, it's fairly late at night. Nothing good on TV to watch. I worked on my wall some today. I'm going to work on it a little more. I thought I'd wire the lights up. I do not have a flasher, but we don't need them flashing to get them working. We'll just wire them up to shine. We'll do the flashing later. I'm going to have to make another one of these covers for that one there. The wires are going to be visible here. I toyed with the idea of putting these old insulators up there, making that part of the decoration. But for now, we're just going to put them on the wall, run the wires. Let's run some in here. Let's see, we could drop down behind them pictures. Would be a lot prettier than going across the wall. Alright, my friends, Walter here. I've been doing some wiring for the last 45 minutes. Got all my wire nuts put on there. I still have to put that cover on there. We got to manufacture a cover for this side. Unless I can find one out in the garage. I don't know if I ever had another one for that one or not. This one had the most wires in it, so we'll cover it up. But first, let's do our light test. I haven't tried it yet, but in theory, it's ready to go, unless I made a mistake. Here we go. Okay, they came on. Uh-oh, that one over there flashed. That's not a good sign. I don't think anything's shorted. Now when I get my cross bucks up there, I hope they're going to fit. We get that booger bear to flashing. That's going to be cool. Let's turn off the lights and look at it in the dark. Ain't that cool? I need to move my lantern somewhere. It doesn't look right there. Oh, it would be stupid to put that cover on there, and so I've copied it onto a piece of wood. Now all we gotta do is find us a flasher. Put it in that line over there somewhere. I think there's a switch off and on the extension cord just to make them flash. This is if I can find a switch in the dark.